Welcome in Advise My Style, where I will show you how I like my girlfriend to look. Not saying that Lana's my girlfriend, just used her as an example. First we plucked the eyebrows, because this part here, in my opinion, pulls the eyes slightly down, whereas if I pluck it, it will lift the eyes that are already almond shaped. Classic makeup technique, not such a fan of this MAC eyeshadow palette because it is, how do you call that in English? Well, the colors fall down, the pigments fall down. Mushy. No, you can't say mushy. Anyways, you see now how careful I'll be with this application. Tap, 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 be gentle, cause otherwise you'll have sparkles all over your face. Shine bright like a diamond if you're not careful enough. Blended it all together. This is a classic triangle technique for prominent eyes. This actually suits everyone, doesn't matter if you have hooded, prominent, upturned, whatever eyes, this suits you. I wanted to make the eyes appear bigger, therefore on the lower part, same shimmer, and just blending the upper edge with a clean brush, going left and right in a circular motion. This is it, simple makeup technique, because we guys don't have the time to wait for our girlfriends where we're in a hurry to go out. We're going for a coffee early morning and she's there taking 45 minutes to do her makeup. I'm like, no, I'm already in the bar sipping my coffee. I think girls should get ready quick. Put their time and effort into night out makeups when we like you as our trophy. This sounded quite bad, did it? But you know, we're proud of the girl we have. Why? Because, you know, we chose her. She's the most precious one. We like to show her to the world. But during the day, we like her more natural. We like you more natural. Because this is what we sleep with. You know? Lovely, beautiful, clean face. I don't want to wake up with a girl in the morning who's already with makeup. I love her natural skin, how her eyes shine without any eyeshadows on. Talking Slovenian here, you wouldn't understand it anyway. But Lana's an awesome girl. We met on the airplane when I was traveling to London, my second time actually, when I already started working there. Filling in the brows slightly, and look at this brilliant technique. If you want to, almost blew it there because she snapped her lips together. Slightly over the edge. You see where her edge is? Over, boom, on top. Slightly over there. You mustn't do this too much because it will look awkward if the edge is angled like Lana's. By extending that cupid's bow like this, you'll see how the lips already look rounder and fuller. Especially going when you go over with the lip gloss. Lip gloss always makes lips fuller. Ta-da! Full slash superstar. My favorite mascara. Bottom and upper eyelashes. And this is what we did. It takes 10 minutes to do such makeup. And then it's already slightly too much, you know, for the morning coffee. But hey, makeup's still a game. Go check this makeup tutorial on our website with products and all the illustration explanation. See ya soon. Ciao, ciao, ciao.